Rejoice, again I say rejoice, for unto us is born the Savior of the world. Take heart, a weary soul, take heart, for help is on its way, and holy is His name. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel.